Welcome student for maths class chapter number 11 perimeter and area part 2. Student, we already study about the area of rectangle and area of square. Even we study how to find the perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. So today we are going to solve the exercise 11.2. In that we are going to study about the area of triangle and area of parallelogram. So here it is a rectangle, okay, where the name is given A, B, C, D, and this AC is a diagonal, okay, which cut this rectangle into two equal triangle. Okay, so here this is a one triangle and this one is an another triangle form here. Okay, with the help of the diagonal we cut this rectangle into two equal triangles. So we already know about the area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. And here we are going to study the area of triangle. So here the two triangles are formed when we cut the rectangle. Okay, so when you have to find the area of triangle, that will be half multiply L multiply, this is multiply breadth. Okay, because half part of the triangle and this half part of the triangle make a full rectangle. Okay, so half multiply length multiply breadth. Okay, so just check it whether your answer will be same or not when we are finding the area of triangle and rectangle. So first we will find, suppose the length will be here 10. Okay, rectangle area we are going to find here, where the length is 10 and breadth is suppose 5. So when you are putting this value in the formula of area of rectangle, we will get what? 10 is multiplied by 5. We will get what? 50. Okay. Now here give the name of this triangle as 1 and this triangle as 2. Now find the area of one triangle. So here what will be the length given here? Same 10 and breadth is how much? 5. So here we will write half is multiplied by 10 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now 2 will cancel and here we will write 1 and 2 5s are 10. So what we got here? 5 5s are 25. So area of one triangle is what? 25. Okay. So area of another triangle will be also 25. So 25 plus 25, here it is 50. That means our answer is correct. So remember, what is the formula we are going to use for the area of triangle is half multiply base multiply length. Okay, or half multiply length multiply base. Next, about the parallelogram. Parallelogram, see, it is also a type of rectangle. Okay, where because the lengths are given here, this is the length and this will be the breadth, or we can say the width. Okay, so here in the parallelogram, the property of rectangle and parallelogram both showing the same. See, suppose it is an A, B, C and D. So we can say that AB is parallel to DC, AD is parallel to BC. In the rectangle also we find the opposite sides are always parallel. Okay, here also we are having the length and the breadth. So now when you are writing the parallelogram, so here suppose you have drawn here a line. Okay, this is a perpendicular line on the base. So we will say this one is a base which forming a 90 degree. Okay, so here this is a base and this attitude is known as an height. Okay, what we say, it is an height. So here when we are finding the area of parallelogram, that is length is multiplied breadth, instead of that we are going to write what? B is multiplied by H. Okay, in the rectangle we are multiplying length by breadth and here the length is given, okay, here, and breadth is given in the rectangle, and in parallelogram this one is an height. Okay, this one is an height and this line is the base. So here base is multiplied by height. So these two formula we are going to study in our exercise 11.2. 2. So let's start the question to solve. First question, see, find the area of each of the following parallelogram. So here parallelogram's area we have to find. Formula we remember, that is B into H. Okay, height is also known as attitudes. So H you write or attitudes. So formula we already written, B into attitudes, okay, or B into H. So here what is the base given? That is 7, and height given, that is 4. So 7 into 4, it is 28 centimeter square. Second question, 3 and 5 given. So here this 3 is multiplied by 5, we will get 15 centimeter square. In third figure it is given 2.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter, base and attitude both given. So multiply this, we will get what? 8.75 centimeter square. It's very easy. You have to only put the value in that formula and then find the area of parallelogram. Next one, see, fourth one. Here the height is given, that is base is given 5, which is multiplied by 8.4. So we'll get the answer 24.0 centimeter square. And last E question, see, here the base is 2 centimeter and the attitude is or height is 4.4 centimeter. So 2 is multiplied by 4.4, we will get 8.8 centimeter square. Next question, see, find the area of each of the following triangle. Now here we are going to use the formula of triangle. So triangle formula already we studied, that length into base into height. Okay, this is an height. Length into base into height. So here length is what given? This is 3 number question. 2 question only I am going to solve here. So here length is what given? 4 centimeter, and breadth is what given? 3 centimeter. So put the value here. 1 upon 2 is multiplied by B means 3 and height means 4. Okay. So 1 upon 2 is multiplied by 3 into 4. Now cancel this. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. We will get what? 3 into 2. It is 6. So 6 centimeter square. Next D question, C. Here also you have to find the area of triangle. So put the value in the formula, half into base into H. So half is multiplied by, what is the base given here? 3 centimeter multiplied by 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. We will get what? 3 centimeter square. This is your question number 2. Now question number 3C. Find the missing value. So here in this case, in chart, sometimes the base are given, you have to find the height. In somewhere the height is given, you have to find the base. So same formula we are going to use to find their height and base. So here 2 question I am going to solve here. See the question number 3. Area of parallelogram. The formula is that B into H. So put here the value. Area of parallelogram, where you written, write the area of parallelogram what given here? 48.72. Okay, equals to B we have to find here. It's not given. Multiply by 8.4. Now here we are going to doing the cross multiply. Okay, so in this cross multiply, B will coming this side and the number which is with the base, that will write as the denominator. So 8.4 we will write as the denominator, and here 48.72. Now 2 methods are there. First to multiply by 10 to remove that decimal. Okay, so it will make very easy to solve the question. Denominator, decimal we are going to be remove by multiplying 10. So 84 is multiplied by 10 and 84 is also multiplied by 48.72. So here when they multiply, we will get the decimal here. Okay, this was this place, and then you cancel this. 84 cancel, we will get what? It is cancelled by 2, so we will get 42. Now 487.2 when divided by 2, we will get what here? 2, 4, 3 and 6. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Now decimal will be here. This one is the decimal here. Okay, then again 42 will be divided by 2. We will get what here? We will get 21. Okay, so it is divisible by 2. Then here we will get 1, 2 and then 1 and 8. Okay, so 1218. In that we will write 1 to 1.8. Here this is 0.8. Okay, again it will divisible by 3. Okay, then we will get here 7. In this way we are going to cancel here, and last we get what? 58 upon 10. Okay, so this 58 upon 10, here when divided by the 10 we will get what? 5.8 centimeter. Okay, next one, see, area of parallelogram is given and here base is given, height is not given. So while finding the height, again the base will writing as a denominator and area of parallelogram will writing as a numerator. Then cancel this one, we will get the answer 1.05. So everyone know how to cancel by using the same number with the numerator and denominator. Next question, see. Find the missing values. So here base is given and height is given along with area of triangle. So here we are going to use the formula of triangle, that is half into base into height. So put the value 87 centimeter given, that is the area of triangle, multiply half into what is the base given here? 15, and h you have to find. So while finding the h, again here we are going to do what? 87 cross multiply we are going to do. So 87 is multiplied by 2 and 15 we will write as a denominator. Now cancel this one. Okay, either you cancel this one, 8 plus 7, it will be divisible by 3. Okay, 15. Or you can multiply and then divide. So both number is divisible by 3. 87 is multiplied by 2, we will get 174 divided by 15, we will get what? 11.6. Next question number 2c. Here again we have to find the area of triangle, half into base into h. So area of triangle what given? 1256 millimeter square. Okay, it's millimeter square, and half into b have to find here. So multiply by this one, b have to find here, and multiply by 31.4 millimeter. So this is on what? Height is given. Okay, so b equals to, cross multiply, b equals to 31.4 we will write as a denominator, and 1256 will divided by multiply by 2. So here when we multiply, again the same method is there, 31.4. So we will multiply by 10 to remove that decimal. So let's see here, 1 2 5 6 is multiplied by 2 upon 31 point we will remove, so 4. Okay, multiply by 10, 0.4 will multiply by 10, here also we multiply by 10. So we will get the answer what? 1256 multiply by 20. Okay, 2 into 10 20, and here 314. Now this we will cancel, then we will get what? 80 millimeter. Understood? Now cancelling you know how to do here. Thank you. Remaining part we will see in the next video.